else is calling. What would happen if superheroes tried to take on normal, everyday jobs? Megaboy has so many talents, and there are so many interesting professions in the world. You can't decide right away. Maybe he'll be a doctor? He would enjoy that, I think. Here comes his first patient. Hi, doctor. I've been having some weird pain here and here. Don't worry, we'll get you taken care of. 2 seconds later, the x-ray is ready. It's such a safe and simple process. Doctor, you're mega awesome! Can you check out my chest too? There's something concerning in this area. The patient's care is of utmost importance. Oops! Megaboy accidentally fired a laser. I'm so sorry, it was an accident. But the toasted patient isn't feeling forgiving. However, there's also no more discomfort, probably because the burns are causing more trouble for Megaboy too. Get out of my clinic! You're fired! What, like you've never made a mistake? Whatever. When rodents move into your apartment, peaceful life goes out the window. Anti-rodent service? Please, come quick! This situation isn't pretty, but it won't be a problem. There's a newcomer to the rescue scene. Catgirl can catch mice better than any poison. She just has the right nose for rodents. Ah, there you are. Come here. She won't rest until she's caught them all. Hunting is so easy that she even has time to take a break from her game of cat and mouse. Okay, all done. Wow! What excellent service! That's what it's like with a real professional. Spider Girl retired a long time ago, but it's not like she just lies around on the couch. She has a great idea for a startup. Clothes made out of webs. Wow, what a cool sweater. I love handmade products. I'll take it. Here you go. I hope you enjoy. But not all customers are so easy to please. Do you have this one in black? You don't like the color? No problem. The spider has an inventive solution. We can just dye it. Voila! Now it's perfect. This is so luxe. Looks like Spider Girl has just earned another regular. Do you think it's easy to make the whole world fear you? Not at all, Clawman would say. He's tired of wandering around and being a hermit. It's time to realize his creative potential. Hairdressing! Good afternoon. I just need a little off the ends. Challenge accepted. It seems like Sophie isn't even going to peek. She trusts the stylist completely. Scissors? Clawman has something way better. And he's amazing at it. Oh, she only asked to trim the ends, but the artist can't be stopped. And the finishing touches, done! This is a disaster! How could you do this to me? Oh, those claws! Well, the result is amazing. Yeah, leaving the salon in a bad mood can be dangerous. This artist accepts no dissatisfied customers. Who would have thought that it would be so hard for Megaboy in the real world? It's not like a superhero knows how to sit at a cash register. But he's hungry, so he has to work. His ears are buzzing from the constant beeping. Oh no! He can't seem to scan the code again. What if you read it with your laser vision? Just be careful to regulate the power. Oops! Turned corn into popcorn. The customer isn't super pleased. You ruined my corn! I demand to speak to the manager. Want some popcorn? Uh-oh, the boss is already here. Megaboy's about to get in trouble. Listen, you caped microwave, fly out of here, now! Back to the job hunt. What did I do to deserve all this? Of all her colleagues, Blue Girl is the luckiest. Her superpower turned out to be very useful for acting.
She's so good, she spends all her money on and there's me stuck at home with nothing but kids running around my house making a mess. I
That's the skill! This actress can perform several roles at once! It's so cost-effective for the company! Different characters have never worked so well together! What a performance! What emotion! But even Blue Girl can't act forever! No one is immune to creative burnout! Ugh! I need a break! Just a little coffee, and I'll go back to the shoot! It's a normal workday in an ordinary office. Or so it would seem. What do superheroes have to do with it? This! Wow! Where did Pranker come from? No one thinks his mild madness is scary anymore. And now he works as an animator. Pranker is used to being a laughingstock. And if it's also well paid, but it seems like the workers aren't thrilled. A balloon dog? Sure. Oh! Can you be more careful? Anything for money. Anyway, this staff party needs some spice. Let the animator change. Well, into Batboy, maybe. What? No way! Not even for a tip? Well, that's different. Wow! Is Pranker going to obey? Ha 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 ha! He's dressed up as his nemesis. Well, are you happy now? Bravo! Spectacular! Oh yes! We just love you, Batboy! You're incredible! Can I get a pic? Oh, why does everyone hate supervillains? Batboy isn't even that cool. Whose side are you on? Villains or superheroes? Let us know in the comments. Wow Girl is the best type of employee. You don't need such a strong, tough lady like her every day. You did what? And that too? Psh! That's nothing to her. She's the perfect employee for a crash test. What if it's like this? Or this? Can you withstand Thunderboy's mighty hammer? It's a serious bid for the title of strongest in the universe. Let's write it down. Will she at least deflect a direct hit with a bat? Whoa! Another disappointment, unfortunately. Deal with it, mortals! You cannot defeat me! However, your experiments do tempt my ego. Go on! Where else would Flash Boy work if not for a delivery service? A new order on the other side of town? No problem! This employee is a blessing. He's so fast! With a guy like that, you can earn your first million in a week. Or less. Here's your pizza! Enjoy! So fast? Duh! This Flash can't do it any other way! Wow! It's still so hot! Great service! Well, gotta go! Whoa! What was that? The world's fastest delivery boy! Not even his boss can get used to his speed! Flash Boy has come for his paycheck! I did all my orders! Check, please! It's a shame Flash forgot one tiny detail. In this pizza shop, they are paid by the hour. What? Seriously? Give me some actual money! You worked for 5 seconds! What kind of money are you expecting? This is humiliating! Your company doesn't deserve my express service! I quit! I'm finding someone who will appreciate me! Grandma Sue is so old that she can barely even hold a needle. But this boring empty wall offends her aesthetic sensibilities. It's time to hang this painting. Hello, handyman. I need you to nail this picture to the wall. Are you coming? I'm waiting. The best way to kill some time is with a nice nap. Oh, who's there? It's not every day Thunderboy shows up to help you. Oh, the Hammer Boy from the Fix-It service? Here, take this picture. Okay, mark a place for the nail and slowly hammer it into the wall. Ugh, this is taking forever. What if I tried this? Oops! It sounded easy, but this hammer is heavy. So there's gonna be a hole instead of a picture, it seems. Oops! Guess I'll go. You criminal! You tricked me! All you did was ruin an old lady's wall. Even Thunderboy can get into trouble for poor service. That's what old school means. Oh, what's with that dump in the backyard? It's no big deal. Megaboy is about to clean it up. Here you go. Yep, cleaning the yard definitely isn't as interesting as saving the world. You just need to move your broom faster. Achoo! Oh, I think something went wrong again. More precisely, I think something got burnt. Well, here we go again. He didn't pass his probationary period. Yeah, you're definitely gonna get fired for that. Huh, bad luck. Is the era of superheroes over? What about their feet and saving humanity? Wait, did you hear that? Someone's calling for help. All isn't lost yet. What? Her hair is stuck on a branch? It doesn't matter that this isn't life or death. This is a chance. Saving people is his calling. Her hair is back in place. Thank you! You're my hero! Hiro? Did you hear that? She said hero! Oh, you don't have to overreact though. Sorry. It was still a chance for Megaboy to get his groove back. He's going to be great! How did you like this superhero video? Which heroes would you want to work with? What's a good job for a superhero? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Click on the bell so you don't miss all the new stuff from Troom Select.